Question: how do stormtroopers go to the bathroom?
By other ways.
I don't know. That was a legitimate question. There was no joke to that. I'm Justice.
I'm Jacob.
And today we're on our bronze PDF badge.
Yes, we are.
Put it in a PDF. Put it in a PDF.
Let's put this in a PDF with question 1.
Let's do it.
All right. What is a PDF?
What is it? It's a popular document file that typically contains text or images. It's very popular, very widely used.
So popular.
So popular. It's going to be
Prom
file
queen.
type king and queen. Yes. Go ahead.
Question 2. What does PDF stand for?
PDF. Portable document format. I'm only going to say that once. Portable document format.
Question 3. Why are PDFs so popular?
So popular? Well, the reason is not because they have great hair or very full, beards and,
You had to say
and
full.
stuff. Very full and thick. It's because they are extremely compatible with most operating systems and devices, right? They work on phones, iPads, other Android things, other devices, computers, laptops. I mean, pretty much everything. They everything can open them up. Pretty popular.
Question 4. What's a great security feature for PDFs?
Yeah, well, not everybody knows this, but it is true. You can protect PDFs with a password. You can password protect those PDFs, which is pretty cool. It's a nice security feature.
Fancy.
Oh, so fancy.
Question 5. Why do people use PDFs for legal documents?
Oh, legal documents. It's pretty cool. You can actually digitally sign PDFs, right? You can create a signature and you can add it onto that PDF, so you don't have to print it, sign it, scan it. You can just digitally sign those documents, which is a pretty cool feature.
You're right. It is.
Yes.
Question 6. How many pages can PDFs be?
How many fingers and toes do you have?
9.5.
9. So like you have like 3 fingers and 5, 6 and a half toes.
I messed up my pinky toe. I don't want to talk about it.
Okay, well that's okay. It was irrelevant because PDFs can literally have thousands of pages. Yeah, thousands of pages.
I wasn't even close. Question 7. How much memory does an average PDF use?
Well, an average PDF is only like 1 or 2 pages. Maybe it has one little image on it, Most of them are less than 1 megabyte. Yeah, they're pretty little. They're not giant. They're pretty good size.
Nice.
Yeah.
Question 8. How long would it take to send a PDF in an email?
How many licks does it take to get to the center of a Tootsie Pop?
73.
What if you have like a really coarse tongue?
5.
Boom.
That's just science.
How long would it take to send a PDF in an email? It really only takes a few seconds.
Oh.
Less than it takes to get to the center of a Tootsie Pop, for sure.
Yeah, I guarantee
It only takes a few seconds.
There's no more questions here. Hold on, let me see if I
There's
can
no
get to
more?
the next one.
Wow,
no. Let me go to 9 because it says you passed. You knew that. I knew that. You guys knew
Oh,
that.
man. I love passing. I love passing my badges as much as you love passing gas.
All right. Well, anyways, best of luck on your quiz taking abilities.
Yes, good luck.
Go take them. We'll see you next time. I'm Jacob.
I'm Justice.
And we'll smell you later.